East Anglia Car Audio. Here we have a 2016 Mini Cooper. Just installed Kenwood's DMX7722. Has a short chassis design with a 6.8-inch high resolution screen. Has digital and FM radio, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you get your phone calls, messaging, maps. You've got USB mirroring over Android. Also put a reversing camera, a Kenwood CMO S230. Comes with a 3-year warranty. If you're looking for any aftermarket stereos, you can find us on Southtown Road, Great Yarmouth, or Instagram and Facebook.